Everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Srapti Parekh, legal intern at Lexis and Company from Janar and Vyas University, Jodhpur. First of all, this video does not solicit any kind of promotion or advertisement, and the sole purpose of this video is educational purpose only. In this video, I will talk about legal news. The Delhi High Court watches film Nyay. The justice based on the life of Sushant Singh Rajput issues notice on appeal. The Delhi High Court issued a notice on appeal concerning release of the film Nyay. The justice based on the life late actor Sushant Singh Rajput after it was revealed that the film has already been released on the platform called Lapalap Original earlier this month. The vacation bench of Justice Anup Jairam Bhambani and Jasmeet Singh sought response from the respondent, including the film director and producer, after watching the clipping of the film on the website Lapalap, where it has been released. The court ordered that this movie has been viewed by the screen sharing on the Lapalap website. Senior advocate Harish Salve, on behalf of the appellant, has taken the court through the various portions of the imposed judgment, causing the court to consider inter alia the release of the cinematographic film to say that respondents have commercially exploited the life story of appellant's deceased son. It is the senior advocate Salve contention that the learned single judge has misinterpreted the law laid down in the various judgments like K.S. Kotwe Swamy and ANR versus Union of India and others. The bench was hearing an appeal filed by the Rajput father Krishna Kishore Singh against a June 10 order of single judge of the High Court, who has rejected the plea to restrain the release of movie. The Singh has moved. The court refused to pass an interim order of stay but issued notice on the appeal and listed the matter for further consideration on July 2021. The single judge has said that there can be no violation of privacy when information regarding the demise of Rajput was already in the public domain. The appellant impugned the judgment dated June 10, 2021 made by a single judge of this court, whereby the single judge has dismissed Order 39 of CPC, thereby declining a prayer inter alia for restraining the release of cinematographic film titled Nyay. The justice and the interim release of other cinematographic film by John Doe, the defendant. The order was assisted before the division bench when the appeal came up for hearing last week. The bench has sought clarification as to whether or not the film has already been released. Senior advocate Chandar Lal, appearing on the behalf of filmmaker, clarified on Friday that the film was released on June 11, 2021 on lapalapprogram.com, a website carrying similar work for viewing. The Lal submitting that the film had now gone over 1.2 lakh views on the platform titled Lapalap Original. The vacation bench of Justice Bhambani and Singh that opinion that the proof is in the pudding and that they would very much like to see the film. Senior advocate Lal started screen sharing and showing clipping from the film. He also informed the court that watching the film on this platform required a very simple process wherein one could log in their phone numbers. At this point, senior advocate Harish Salve, appearing on the Krishna Kishore Singh, drew the court attention to the fact that Lapalap was an obscure website and that releasing the movie here meant the damage was subsequently limited. The court now said that since this was in the appeal, it would not go to the question of pleading at this stage. The court further held that no interim order would be given, but a notice will be sent to the film's director, producer, and distributor. Moreover, the plea for stay on the release of the film was categorically rejected. So, I hope you like my video. Please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.